to Ant. 10 to shoot. Against Castle. Spin to the baseline. The rise. Oh, the lead! Free throw line. Tough fall away. Edwards short. Here's Fox on the move. Barnes left side for the lead. He hits. Here's McDaniels. Fades in the paint and rattles it against McDaniels. Rises up, mid-post, hits again. Edwards against Wembanyama. Finds a seam, puts it in off the glass.
Castle. Wembanyama catches it. Clock at 8. Victor fades away. No good. Ball loose. Champagny has it back out. Fox for the win. No good. And the Timberwolves survive.